I'm here today to show you this stunning detached country home, one of only a few properties in this exclusive private road. Let's go take a look inside, shall we? The ground floor hosts multiple reception rooms, including this glorious orangery with bifolding doors offering incredible views across the grounds. Such a wonderful space. You have a dining area, additional seating and a utility with separate access. And you have two sets of French doors leading out into the beautiful gardens and grounds. Upstairs you have so much space. On the first floor you have 5 bedrooms, 2 of which have en suites, and there's a family bathroom. The main suite is super spacious with built-in wardrobes, but it also has the potential to turn the neighbouring bedroom into your very own dressing room. And of course, you have wonderful views. On the second floor, you have 2 further bedrooms and an ensuite. This is an ideal suite for older children to have their own space to relax in, or perfect for guests. The rooms in this home are coupled with exceptional views, so let's go take a look outside, shall we? You have over 1.8 acres of beautiful private grounds surrounded by idyllic countryside. You also have several different seating areas, absolutely perfect for entertaining. Check out this amazing space. This setting is simply stunning and offers a real sense of tranquility. And while it's absolutely perfect as it is, you do have double gates that give you vehicle access to the grounds, which means you could easily home your beloved horse here as well. So if you're looking for a beautifully presented home with rolling countryside surroundings in the sought-after village of Lynsted, then contact Foundation Estate Agents today.